XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look at this. And we mentioned we want to get the one more drop even. We mentioned we can look for this one as a flat. Okay, because I mean the way we could look at this one, because at that time the price was here, we mentioned either this one can turn to a flat for one more drop, or we can expect this one as a 1 2 3, and relative to this can expect this one continue near to the previous top, and we look for flat for one more drop, and this is exactly as what we expected, and the price drop. But what we wanted the price to break and drop and break the previous low, which is 0.62, because we wanted to confirm this correction is finished as in relative to this. That means we get this the first move correction and the last move before we get the reversal. Even at that time we mentioned we can put these two in relative to each other. As we can see, the price at what we have expected, the price dropped sharply and now it's giving us a correction, but it couldn't break the previous low. Okay, technically when we see this kind of the move, we can expect for continuation. If this one can give us one more drop, as what I just now mentioned, with the breakout of this, any reversal from here, it can give us better confirmation to look for buy. Okay, but how about if the price reverse from here? Maybe we can expect this one turn to more complex correction, because if we move to daily chart, right now we are the prices at the top. How about, because we mentioned if this one turned to a deeper correction relative to any of this, any reversal can give us better trade setup rather than the price reverse from here. How we can look for buy? Because based on daily, we won't get, if the price reverse continue up move from here, we won't get a really good trade to look for. I mean, we won't see the really good chart to look for the trade setup. That means if we move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this, we see the price is correcting here. If this one give us one more drop with the breakout of this low, we can confirm this move is finished. Then maybe we can look for this flat, and from there we look for reversal. Okay, how about if the price reverse from here? At that times, the possibility we put these two relative to each other is like, it doesn't give us really good flat in terms of the technical analysis. Or if the price reverse from here, maybe this one turn to deeper correction before we get one more drop. Okay, no. Even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. The best thing is we move to 1 hour chart. As I mentioned, when we see this kind of the sharp move with a correction, we can expect this one to go as one more drop. If with the breakout of the previous low, if we get this one, that means we can confirm this is the flat, and any reversal from there we can look for buy. But if the price reverse from here, it's still we can, if we get any trade setup either based on 1 hour chart or lower time frame within this range, we can take the trade. But with the breakout of 0.7, we have to start to manage, because mostly we can expect this one turn to a bigger flat and bigger correction. That's why if we get any reversal from here, also we can look for trade, but we want to see whether the price can break 0.7 and continue or not. If the price break and continue, is good for us. If not, we see it cannot break, we take out the trade, because of the, as I mentioned, this one we can turn to a more complex flat or correction. Okay, anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. The only thing is we want to see what's this, what we will get from here. Either this one can turn to a corrective similar in relative to this for one more drop, and this is what we're looking for. For me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer the price break 0.62, then any reversal from there I will take the trade. But if the price reverse from here, I'm not really interested to look for buy, and mostly maybe we don't get a really good trade setup. Maybe at that times I will wait the price break. If the price break this top of this correction, that means we confirm the price is going to reverse, then any trade above this I will take. The if I get any opportunity for trade, I will take the trade above this correction, not within this correction. Anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup, and even we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction drop as a corrective move. Even if this one happen, still we can call any that means any down move with a breakout of 0.62, then from there we can look for reversal. And again, I don't think I will be interested to look for trade within this range, but we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.